Cool. So picking up where we left off, uptrends consists of higher highs and higher lows until the last higher low gets broken. So what I'm going to do is highlight this one. This is how you identify shifts in trends, is when this higher low is broken and retested right here. So we're going to move this down like that. So can you guys see how this was broken, this higher low? So what this means was that sellers were able to push price down past where bulls previously had beat sellers. So sellers pushing down price right here, bulls and buyers pushing price back up. We get a point to equilibrium right here. So this high right here, and then this is also an equal high. So this is the other thing that I got messed up for the longest time, is that I always thought that there was either higher highs or higher lows, but there can also be equal highs and equal lows. And that's what I have here. So equal high and equal low. So we have this higher high right here, and this right here would just be another high. So sellers push price down past the higher low. And then, so now that I know that we are having a shift in trend, even more of a confirmation when it comes back and retests this floor as a ceiling right here. So now we have a lower low and a lower high. So now we're going to be looking for sell opportunities. And again, just like I showed you with the uptrend, you want to sell the lower highs and you take your profit at the lower low. And the reason why is just simply just because of the risk reward ratio. If this is just an example, it's not an actual trade, it's just a line chart that I've marked up for you guys, obviously. But I will show you, if you were to sell at this lower low, not only would you guys get all this drawdown right here of buyers pushing price back up, you also run the risk of hitting your stop loss, and then your risk reward ratio. Look how worse that risk reward ratio is. 0.69 versus 1:6. So this is why you always want to be looking to sell at lower highs and buy at higher lows. And then right here, just to continue this little session, what I wanted to show you guys. So same thing, you can have equal lows in a downtrend. Right there. So hits one time, creates a lower low, and then sellers push price back up, creates a lower high, and then comes back down, creates this equal low right there. And then this right here, depending if it creates another ceiling, okay, so this right here would just be a little bit of consolidation right there. Boom, have a floor, ceiling, floor, ceiling. Consolidation is when there are two taps to the low and then two taps to the high, typically creating like an equal high. It doesn't always have to be perfect like this. It can kind of come down here and then come back up into this range. And then same thing with the lower highs. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can come up here and then just come right back into the range. In this example that I have here, I just have price just keep continuing down. So this is just kind of like a basic structure, a little bit advanced to intermediate, and so that is that's pretty much it. So this is a market structure breakdown. So uptrends, higher highs, higher lows. We're going to be looking to buy uptrends at the higher lows, and then in consolidating markets, if you don't know how to trade those, then just stay out. if you find downtrending markets, we're going to be looking for sells at the lower high. And then that's pretty much it. So for this little session. Yes, sir. You guys are welcome. So appreciate you guys. I will be uploading these to YouTube now. So hope you guys have a good rest of your night, and we will see you soon. Are there, well, oh yeah, before I hop off, are there any questions or anything like that that you guys have?
Nah, man. Appreciate it, though.
Yep.
Thanks, Evan.
Yeah, no problem, guys.
Thanks, Evan. Evan, do you know how to get rid of this? This thing is being stupid on my screen. Hold on. You see that huge Bitcoin sign?
Yep.
Do you know how to get rid of it, please?
Yep. Go to, could you share your screen for me?
Yeah. Hold on. All right, yep.
Right click on the chart.
Right.
Settings.
Yep.
Go to background, and then it's going to be watermark.
Perfect.
And go ahead and make that fully transparent. Slide that all the way to the right.
Just slide all the way to the right.
Yes, sir.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
Yep. All right, guys. Is there any more questions or anything that you have?
Nah, that's it, man. Thank you.
Awesome. Cool, guys.
All right.
Have a good rest of your night.
You too.